Hi, darling. This is V to Z TV with yours truly, Ziara, the Goddess XTC. Ain't no coincidence that you're watching me. Ah. So, today I shall just be reflecting on a couple of things along my journey because I am feeling a lot of different shifts. I'm seeing a lot of different things change within my reality, and I just want to document my journey as I feel will serve a lot of inspiration and awe when the timing is right. So, first things first, we are halfway, more than halfway through the year. Ah! How is that even possible? I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know. No, I don't know. I don't know, actually. I'm just going with the flow. That's the reality of what's been going on. And honestly, it feels some days overwhelming, other days underwhelming, other days perfect. Literally paradise. And I'm just kind of going with the motion of it all. Like it's I have this unshakable feeling of something fantabulous, spectacular happening. And it's like it happens any day now. It can happen any day now. And I'm literally just like off of my own inspired action, uh, just doing different activities and whatnot that would make sense for this thing to happen, even though the thing that I think might happen may not even be the thing that will happen. It may be something completely different. So it's like the trickery of it all. The trickery of it all. But nonetheless, I am grateful. I find myself like some days when I feel disappointed that the big boom didn't happen today. Um, to remind myself to be grateful for everything that I have and where I'm at right now because at one point I prayed for all of this. I prayed for this peace. I prayed for this smile. I prayed for this happiness. I prayed for this life that I have now. And I am actually so proud of everything that I've cultivated, the seeds that I've planted in a matter of 6, 7 months of this year. I've done a lot. I've moved around a lot. I've made strides. I've completed projects. I've been tweaking my skills. I've been perfecting different crafts. And I'm just like a one woman band just making it shake. And I'm standing on business. I'm taking myself seriously. I am honoring my boundaries. And I'm proud of me. I'm proud of me because of that. And on the days that the big boom didn't happen and I found myself disappointed, I go back to this feeling of remembering, like, hey, actually, you're doing fantastic. Whether the big boom happens or not, you're doing fantastic, darling. You're on the right path, and I'm proud of you nonetheless, anyhow. So, also, too, I have been reestablishing my relationship with Yeshua. So my mom actually put me on to this Amazon Prime show called The Chosen, and even though they don't have Black Jesus, this Jesus is okay. Like a Middle Eastern Jesus. It's cool. I think physically he fits the part. I would say. We have yet to see a Black Jesus, which I'm looking forward to that. So I'll put that into existence. Speak on it, and yeah, I've just been learning more about Yeshua, and from time to time going into the Bible, not too much. Uh, I don't really want to get caught up with religious doctrines, but I do believe that the Bible holds truths and valuable information. If you have an eye to see, you will see. If you have an ear to hear, you will hear. And those who seek will definitely find. So I'm more keen to seeking within self, going within, praying, meditating, going out into nature, and that's how I connect with God. So, but my mom's been recommending me to really go back into the Bible. So from time to time, baby steps, I do my thing. But I'm glad that this show is here so that I get like a nice visual of it. I don't know how accurate you know uh the stories are, aligned with the show, aligned with the book, but it's decent. It's decent. So that also too, I've been finding myself to be um more, I don't give a effish when it comes to my content, because I feel like the engagement and the attention that I truly do desire has yet to boom. But I just seen 555 when I seen that on the timer as soon as I said that, and I've been seeing that a lot. A lot of 555s, that's changed. A lot of 777s, that's good luck. And I was born in the 7th, so. But yes, since I don't get the engagement yet that I'm truly desiring, the attention I'm truly desiring, I feel like, who cares? That's how I genuinely feel. So I just do whatever I want. I post whatever I want. And that's how it should be. I don't care how I'm being perceived. I don't care who likes it, who doesn't like it, who unfollows, who follows, who subscribes, who doesn't. I don't care. I just do me. And at the end of the day, when I lay my head down, I say, hey, were you as authentic and expressive as you desire to be? And I say, yes. I lay my head down and I sleep like a baby. And that is how I always want it to be. I don't ever want to feel like I am compromised because of the masses, when the masses are not even authentic and barely can think for themselves. So, what else has been going on? What else? My baby graduated. He's valedictorian. Of course, darling. The brains, it's from my side of the family, as well as the gorgeous face as well. But anyway, I thought it was so synchronistic because I've been having a lot of dreams about me graduating, and when I dove deeper into the spiritual meaning of my dreams, it actually meant like leveling up spiritually. Right? So I was like, of course, my son, the son of a goddess, of course, he's graduating and he's top of his class because I, as well, have been through a journey when it comes to the spiritual of the school, Earth School, and I'm pretty sure I'm at the top of my class when it comes to the spiritual lessons that I have been learning and implementing into my life. So, also, too, I find myself now just not trying so hard. Like, really just being really free. It's a freeing feeling of just being. Like, I really like, I don't want to say I don't care, but it's kind of that. I kind of don't care. But for the right reasons. And I don't care about the wrong things for the right reasons. I'm just living. I feel free. And I'm looking forward to what manifested in my reality because this frequency that I've been holding. Oh my gosh. And shout out to me for waking up daily, early, doing my yoga, Pilates, exercise, and all of the things, taking my detox supplements, and drinking neem tea, which is so bitter, by the way. So bitter. And being consistent with it. It is raining outside, and it's fine because it's a cleansing over my soul. But anyway, if you're watching this, thanks for sticking around. Like I said, I'm just documenting my journey, and pray that all is well with you too. And keep going because the best has yet to come, darling. I love you, but God loves you even more. So if you love me back, subscribe. Mwah.